Sports RC Workshop, guys, check it out today. We are out with the FTX Tracer 1/16 scale monster truck. Guys, these are 4-wheel drive, brushed, ready to run out the box. I've done a previous unboxing video. This will be able to play at the end of the video. Guys, these trucks look brilliant out the box. What is your colour preference? Is it the blue? Is it the orange? Say below what your preference is. Let's see who the winner is. The orange is my lads, the blue's mine. Anyway guys, we're just out on the car park, get a bit of car park footage of these things running around. These are fast. Right then guys, so let's get a bit of action of these things going. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Just look at this thing guys, this is fast and furious for a little truck. Look at it go. That is RTR out the box, and bring it in a sec. Look at the size of this compared to a normal remote. And that remote is slightly smaller than normal as well. Awesome! Literally keep your finger planted on this thing as well. Look at this. Finger right down, you can steer and the car don't flip over. Oh! Full steer. Woohoo! Get some of the orange action, trying a little donut there. So guys, these things are great if you want to chuck them in your bag, take them out with your other RC. If your other RC breaks, you got something to muck about with. This thing's going to be equally as good off-road, I think, to be honest with you. That is fantastic little truck, and them LED lights look great. Have a little drag race with these then guys. After 1, 3, 2, 1, go! They are match for match on speed obviously because they're the same. These are a load of fun, look at it go! Could do some cones and set up a little track or something guys, that would be fun. Because these things are great on tarmac, believe it or not. That's amazing. Can't fault that at all. Absolutely brilliant. Blue or orange, make your choice. Comment below. There's your blue and there's your orange. Oh yeah. Right then guys, so we have got these posts in the car park as well. We're going to do a slalom round them. Who can get to the end and back doing slalom first? Blue or orange, place your bets now. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you're going to want to go a bit quicker than that. I'm going to win you at that speed. And back round, back round. What we on? Always hit a post. 13, 14, 15, hit a second post. 17. Line number 2, let's go. Hit the post there. 9. Keep it tight. What's the time? What we at these?
11 seconds.
Oh, whatever. Oh, this one. 12 seconds. What is it? This one's a rematch. Go. Nice. Nice. Keep it tight. Oh, he's at the wall. 16 seconds for blue. I'm going to beat that score this time. Watch this. What we at?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. There we go. Right then guys, so we are doing a slalom race around the skateboard, around the plank, and back around the skateboard. 2 laps. First person around the skateboard wins. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh! Last one out. Mason's with it. Hey! So here we go, round 2, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! cars win. Orange for the win. Here we go then, guys. One more for the decision maker. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yes. Oh. He's been out. Blue for the win! The victory donut! Right then guys, there you have it, the FTX Tracer 1/16 scale truck. Loads of fun to be had. This thing looks incredible and it goes really well. We've been running these things for about 20 minutes now. Loads of fun with them. And that's just on a plain car park with nothing but tarmac on here. Anyway, who do you think won? Orange or blue? Colours and design and obviously pure skill. Give the video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah! Donut machine! Oh, look at that thing, donut! Orange one's donutting over there as well. Woo! Battery. Bit of bonus footage.